How to send the GIFs in Instagram direct message. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to send GIF on the direct message or conversation, you have come to the right place. First and foremost, open your Instagram account. Make sure you use your correct credentials to get logged in. Then after tap on the messenger icon on the top right corner. This is to open your direct message. Now click on any conversation that you want to send the GIF to. Then you will see a plus icon which is on the bottom right corner. Tapping on it should give you three options. Select on stickers, and after that, on the bottom right, you will see GIF. Tap on it. Now select on the GIF that you want to send. Once you tap on the GIF, it will be sent on the DM directly. And this is how you can send GIFs on DM. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have got any questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.